Imagine a snake that can crush its prey with thousands of pounds of pressure, yet still manage to breathe. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind how boa constrictors perform this physically impossible feat. Boa constrictors are ambush predators, known for their powerful coils that can wrap around prey with immense force. This squeezing technique is crucial for subduing animals ranging from small mammals to large lizards. However, the physics of this action seem to defy logic. When boa constrictors squeeze their prey with such force, it's hard to imagine how they can keep breathing themselves without crushing their own lungs. The key lies in the unique anatomy of boa constrictors. Their ribs and lungs are segmented, allowing them to use different sections as a bellows mechanism, maintaining respiration even under extreme compression. Interestingly, boa constrictors have difficulty killing ectotherms like lizards and snakes. For example, a spiny-tailed iguana survived an hour-long attack by a boa constrictor, highlighting the complexity of their hunting strategies. This breathing mechanism not only aids in hunting, but also has implications for snake physiology and evolutionary adaptations. Understanding it can provide insights into the broader biology of constrictor snakes. In conclusion, boa constrictors have evolved a remarkable adaptation that allows them to continue breathing while squeezing their prey. This unique respiratory system is just one of the many fascinating aspects of these powerful predators. So there you have it, the surprising way boa constrictors can breathe while squeezing their prey. What other interesting facts do you want to know about these snakes? Let me know in the comments.